Hey guys, it's Miss Palmer, and I just wanted to walk you through uh, if you are in multiple classes for the same teacher, how to get those multiple classes to show up in your Delta Math account. So you're going to log in, you're going to go up to Tools and Manage Login and Courses. You're going to scroll down to where it says Teacher/Class Information, and you're going to edit the classes that you want to be in. So right now, I have everything checked. I've checked 5 classes. So if you want to be in Monday, Wednesday, Friday, first period on-ramps, you would just click it. If you also are in my Monday, Wednesday, Friday, second period geometry, you would click it. If you had more classes that you wanted to be a part of, so if I also wanted to be part of Thursday, fifth period on-ramps, you would just click everything that you want and then hit save. My information has been successfully saved. Awesome. Then if you went back to your Delta Math home screen, when you are deciding what class to kind of look at, so for my fifth period on-ramps, I have 3 upcoming assignments. And I've only answered 1 out of 4. If I wanted to check, okay, well, what's happening in first period on-ramps? I don't have any assignments. What about second period geometry? I don't have any assignments yet. So as the assignments start showing up, you just click between your courses to see what's coming up and when is it due. So it'll have a running tab of all your assignments, and it'll let you click between the classes. And then you just answer them from there. So I hope this helped with getting you assigned to multiple classes for the same teacher so that you can answer everything with one email.